Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start off with the chapter weather and its effect, and here we are going to know how weather is forecasted. So, in general, have you ever thought how weather was forecasted and how it is being forecasted today? How do we get to know how the weather would be tomorrow? As you look into your screens of your phones, you can look at the temperature, what temperature is going to be in the evening, how it's going to be like in the morning, and how it's going to be like at night. So we all get to know about it. We also get weekly weather forecast. We get to know that it's going to rain on Wednesday or Thursday. And how do we get to know all of that? Have you ever thought about it? So let's look at weathers. So commonly we have a lot of weather conditions that we see in our daily lives, but here I have few examples for the weather types that we commonly encounter with or we know about. Number one is windy, number two is sunny, number three is snowy, and number four is cloudy. Cloudy तो काफी होता है Karachi in the evenings, right? We don't encounter snow, but we do have snowy and windy weathers every then and now. So, have you ever seen a radar system? So, a radar system, as you can see in the picture, is a device that looks around and checks and forecasts the weather for you. So, this is one device that forecasts the weather for us. So, weather balloon is another instrument that is used for forecasting the weather. A weather balloon is also known as a sounding balloon and is a balloon that carries instrument or that send back the information on atmospheric pressure. जो atmosphere में pressure होता है उसका temperature, humidity, wind speed by means of small expendable measuring devices like radioscope. So radioscope is another device through which we that is done through it. ठीक है? And the balloon has helium inside it, and that's a balloon, and then we have a parachute in the middle of it, and then in the end, as you can see, there's a box that is called payload. So it is sent high in the sky through which we get to know about the weather. So this is our third device. So, ocean monitoring or sea monitoring buoys is a weather buoys are instrument which collect weather and ocean data. Means जो ocean में जैसे weather है उसको वो collect करते हैं related to that within the world's ocean as well as aid emergency response to chemical spills, legal proceedings and engineering devices. तो इसमें बेसिकली होता क्या है दिस इज द डिवाइस दैट इज सेंड इनटू द सी here they encounter about the weather conditions, so it helps the fishermen or the sea or the ships that travel through sea and all of that, but and it also aids देखता है ये उस चीज़ को भी देखता है जैसे केमिकल स्पिल जो कोई शिप है वो उलट गई है उसमें से जो तेल है वो पूरे समंदर में बह गया है या कोई लीगल मसला हो गया फॉर एग्जांपल दे जैसे हमारे बॉर्डर्स होते हैं वैसे सी में भी बॉर्डर्स होते हैं तो उसको देखती है ये एंड also looks into the engineering designs of each of them and it sometimes is helpful for if the ship is lost somewhere it also helps them to find their way. So these are the things that it does apart from forecasting the weather. Then satellites, we all know about satellites. We send the satellites in the space through which we get to know about the weather. It sends signals back to the people who are sitting on the earth and it forecasts the weather for us. So this is one of the most efficient device through which we can forecast the weather. So I hope you understood and you learned something new and something innovative in this video. See you all in next time. Allah Hafiz.